On Wednesday at Battleford Court of Queen's Bench, court heard from Sheldon Stanley, the 28-year-old son of Saskatchewan farmer Gerald Stanley, who is on trial for second-degree murder in the shooting death of Colten Boushie. Sheldon Stanley told the jury that on August 9, 2016, he and his father were building a fence at his father's farm in the rural municipality of Glenside. He said the two of them heard a loud noise as a car without a muffler drove onto their yard. The car, a grey SUV, stopped in front of one of the vehicles the Stanleys were taking care of, and someone jumped out and rifled through that truck. The grey SUV then moved towards the Stanley shed, and someone from the grey SUV jumped out and tried to steal the quad, Sheldon said. Sheldon said at that point he got angry. He raced towards the grey SUV and struck the windshield with a hammer he was holding. He said that the car then tried to leave the property, but seemed to take a deliberate right-hand turn into a vehicle that his mother owned. He said that at that point he ran into his house to get his car keys because he wanted to chase the grey SUV off his property. While he was running into the house, he said he heard two gunshots about a second apart. As he was leaving the house, he heard a third gunshot. He said as he left the house, he saw his father walking around the grey SUV. In one hand, he held a gun, in the other, a magazine. He said his father looked ill. He said his father turned to him and said, "I don't know what happened. It just went off. I was just trying to scare them."